Of all the top-secret obsessions of the Soviet era, none were more radical, more dangerous, or more shrouded in mystery than the attempt to manipulate the very fabric of existence. We are not talking about nuclear power, but about the science of time.
We investigate Project Chronos, the KGB's alleged initiative to weaponize the temporal dimension, leading to one of the most chaotic and complete failures in classified history. The project began in the shadows of the late 1970s. While the West focused on military hardware, a small group of Soviet physicists were tasked by the state security apparatus with studying localized chronal anomalies, naturally occurring distortions in space-time. Their ultimate goal was to harness these anomalies to gain tactical advantage over the enemy.
To study these phenomena, the KGB commissioned the construction of the Chronos Facility, a massive, multi-level bunker deep beneath the Ural Mountains. Its centerpiece was a colossal experimental cyclotronic device, a particle accelerator unlike any other, designed not to smash atoms, but to generate intense localized magnetic fields capable of disturbing the flow of time within a small shielded chamber. The core theory of Project Chronos was frighteningly simple. If time could be slowed down around key military assets, they would gain critical seconds. If time could be accelerated around enemy targets, their technology would age and fail almost instantaneously. It was the ultimate silent superweapon.
The initial tests, codenamed Phase 0, were purely technical. Researchers reported bizarre effects. Metal tools left inside the active chamber would emerge minutes later, showing decades of corrosion. Plant samples would decay instantly, leaving only dust. The effects were uncontrollable, chaotic, and terrifyingly unpredictable. The danger escalated when the experiments moved to live subjects. Classified log entries, later rumored to have been smuggled out, detailed a bizarre series of disappearances among the technical staff. Personnel working near the active cyclotronic rings began experiencing profound disorientation. There were reports of guards aging rapidly within a matter of minutes, or simply vanishing from their posts as if they had never existed. The official cause of these disappearances was listed as environmental contamination. The reality suggested something far more insidious. The boundaries between now and then were collapsing inside the facility. The scientists were no longer the masters of time, they were its victims. The catastrophic failure occurred during a final, desperate power test in 1982. The massive cyclotronic device overloaded. The bunker was hit by an electromagnetic surge so violent it wiped every record and shattered the complex's containment fields. The seismic signature was initially misidentified as a small earthquake. Rescue and cleanup teams, wearing specialized shielding, reported a profound, lingering sense of disorientation and nausea within the lower levels. They found the core chamber was sealed by walls of glass that had been warped and pulled like taffy. There were no bodies, but the intense damage to the bunker defied conventional physics. Project Chronos was immediately abandoned and the entrance sealed with cement and concrete. All surviving personnel were debriefed and forced to sign lifetime secrecy oaths. The incident raised a crucial question. Did the KGB manage to open a door to time? And if so, did something else come back through? The pursuit of ultimate technological superiority led the Soviet state to confront forces they could not possibly control. The abandoned Chronos Facility stands as a silent monument to the terrifying ambition of weaponizing reality itself. The only thing they achieved was the swift, chaotic deletion of their own existence. Was Project Chronos a failed experiment or a dangerous success? Share your theories on time anomalies below. Like and subscribe to ChillX Enigma.